I swear by Apollo the physician, by Aesculapius, Hygeia, and Panacea, and I take to witness all the gods, all the goddesses. Inside a hospital, in a lonely corner of the neurosurgery ward, a patient, apparently suspended in time. Admitted as a head injury victim, doctors discovered she had lost her memory. For the hospital, though, and the medical community at large, her case raises a few questions. What, for instance, should be done with patients who've been otherwise cured but are discovered to be suffering from loss of memory? Should they be allowed to stay on in hospitals when others are waiting for a place? Or should they be merely discharged and virtually told to fend for themselves? Most importantly, who will take responsibility for these unknown patients?
सेवंथ डे इन्होंने मेरा ब्लड लिया फॉर HIV टेस्ट करने के लिए, बट HIV टेस्ट इतना मेरे को डिटेल में मालूम नहीं था कि व्हाट इज द HIV। मैं सिर्फ एड्स का नाम सुना था और 83 से लेके मैं एड्स की जितनी भी प्रिकॉशंस हैं वो मैं ले रहा था, लेकिन मेरे को इतना नहीं मालूम था कि जो ब्लड मेरे को चढ़ रहा है उसके थ्रू ही एड्स मेरे को आ जाएगा।
It seems like only yesterday, my doctor told me I had cancer. And when I asked, how long do I have? He didn't have an answer. And it seemed to me that time stood still. And the room turned upside down. Life just stopped. And I stared at him, and I didn't hear a sound. And 1,000 years flashed by my eyes as I thought of all I would miss, of the laughs and smile of those I loved, and my 2-year-old daughter's kiss. And I realized right then and there of the time that I had wasted, of all the things that I had never done, of all the life untasted. And I thought of all the silly things that occupied our day, like the stupid fights we had last night over bills we had to pay. 20 years have come and gone, and I'm still at the dance. I guess that God just changed his mind and gave me another chance. And on that day, I took a vow to let go of the past, to live my life and love each day as if it were my last.
According to a survey, 20% of the prostitutes in Bombay, 50% in Pune, and 10% in Delhi are Devdasis.
जय जगत पुकार जा, सर अमन पे वार जा, सबके हित के वास्ते अपना सुख विसार जा, जय जगत।
अब विकास तो हो लेकिन विनाश ना हो। बांध अगर इतना बड़ा बनेगा तो इतने बड़े क्षेत्र को ये सरकार बसा नहीं सकती।
It is an ocean of humanity. Fear of reprisals and an uncertain future holds them back. They have to make do with whatever facilities the camps offer. The Chakmas, like other tribals in the various camps, are facing a crisis of identity.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
ये तो सरकार है, जब अभी हमें नहीं मिला और बाद में हमारे मरने के बाद अगर हमारे परिवारों को मिलेगा तो किस काम का।
Once upon a time, many centuries ago, across the vast Thar desert, there came a caravan. It was a small group of singers from Sindh. After days and nights of traveling, they settled down in a village in the western part of Rajasthan.
South of the Indian peninsula, in the state of Tamil Nadu, lie one of the natural wonders of the world, Nilgiris, the Blue Mountains. These beautiful mystic mountains hold many an untold tale in their folds. Shrouded in this mystery and magnificence is the life of people who live on them. And this is their story. Kotas, the mountain people.
तीन गज की ओढ़नी, ओढ़नी के कोने चार, चार दिशाओं का संसार। कोठरी के चार कोने, हर दो कोने बीच दीवार, कोने पे दीवार खड़ी। ओढ़नी है जिंदगी, जिंदगी है ओढ़नी, ओढ़नी जिंदगी, ओढ़नी जिंदगी।
मैं जुगनी देता
यहाँ लद्दाख में जुले का मतलब है नमस्कार, सलाम, हेलो। लद्दाख जिसे छोटा तिब्बत या ठंडा रेगिस्तान भी कहा जाता है। यहाँ चारों तरफ बिखरी खूबसूरती को देखकर कहा जा सकता है, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। देशों में देश हरियाणा, जित दूध दही का खाना। और आज हम जा रहे हैं हरियाणा में नारनौल, जिला महेंद्रगढ़। ओ हाकले भाई। लो चित्र शलभ सी पंख खोल, उड़ने को है कुस्मित खाटी। लो खिल उठा अल्मोड़े का बसंत, खिल उठी निखिल पर्वत पाटी। सारे जहां से अच्छा मैं, आज आप मेरे साथ कुमाऊं की यात्रा पे हैं और ये है शहर अल्मोड़ा।
This is Neena Sachdev. Neena lives in Shimla in Himachal. She suffers from a rare congenital condition called marble bone disease.
When life gets rough and the going's tough, when things go wrong and life's no song,